do you believe, Mr. Wankade, that you are personally being targeted? What we are looking at, not the institution being targeted, but Mr. Wankade, what is happening right now is that you are being personally targeted, not just you, your sister who's spoken to Republic TV just a few days ago. She too has been dragged into this entire issue. How do you respond to that?
I'm personally being targeted because I've booked a case in which one of the relatives of the Honorable Minister is facing the court, is facing the NCB case. For that reason, I'm personally being targeted for just doing my duty.
Do you believe that when Mr. Nawab Malik is essentially saying that there was no evidence against his son-in-law, but despite that you went ahead and arrested him, he's essentially saying that this is nothing but vendetta.
We will reply the court. The matter is sub judice.
Mr. Wankade, just one more question that I want you to ask you, because today, let's be honest, Mr. Wankade, we have seen the kind of support. Not forget about what the kind of political acquisitions that has come in. I want to tell you one thing. Here on Republic Media Network, we have seen the kind of support that has come in, support for the NCB, because after all, you have gone ahead and you're trying to expose the drug nexus at this point in time. I want you to tell our viewers the kind of threats that you have been receiving. We have seen CCTV footages of you being tracked. We have seen how officers from the Mumbai police, the Maharashtra police, they have been tagging along. I want you to tell the entire nation today the challenges that you are essentially facing right now.
The challenges are what I've been facing is right from what you have just mentioned right now. We have been attacked a couple of times, but that is not an issue for me. I'll be fortunate if anything happens to me in the line of the nation, in my national duty. I'll be fortunate if it happens something while serving my motherland. This is a challenge, but attacking my mother, attacking my father, sister, that is absolutely not called for and below the belt. Thank you.
One final question. I know this matter is still being investigated, but Mr. Wankade, can you confidently tell all the viewers that is there enough evidence with the NCB to carry out this crackdown that we are looking at? And are we to expect more bigger names to come out in the days to come?
Our job is to dismantle the organized crime drug syndicates, and we are going to do that, and nothing can stop us from doing it. Thank you, sir.